Announcing single stick traditional Cadet B girls. Please prepare. Lucina Maria Hannah Alexis, Galapin Maria Yani, and Sibayan Christine Joy. Court number 2. Again, announcing single stick traditional Cadet B girls. Lucina Maria Hannah Alexis and Galapin Maria Yani and Sibayan Christy Joy. Court number 2.
Alexis, kumana ka?
Thank you. Time. 1 minute. Judges, your scores, please. Judge 1, 8.7.
1 minute and 16 seconds.
Judge 2, 8.1.
Judges, your scores, please.
Judge 3, 8.5. Judge 4, 8.4.
Judge 1, 8.0.
Judge 5, 8.7. Thank you,
Judge
judges.
2, 8.1.
Thank you, performers.
Judge 3, 8.5.